How's it going, everybody? Today we're replacing this switch on this table saw, so it's no longer on and off. It's going to actually be a safety switch. This right here was just meant as a joke, as I was hoping the actual switch would come in the same day, but it's been about 3 weeks. It finally arrived. I don't know why it took so long, but hey, we got it. So a new one, good. Old one, also good, but bad, because it's a switch. There's a switch. So now we gotta get another flathead and another flathead. Wow. Guys, so old, it's just everything's made of flathead. Where's the Phillips? We need Phillip. Oh no, this is on pretty good. Ground's back there, which is fine. I don't have to mess with that, just white and black, so. I might need an actual Phillips. Oh man, where'd I keep putting my stuff? I don't know. All right, so ground is already grounded. I'm just removing the white and black wires. I'm just gonna replace them. If I can unscrew this. Oh yeah, it's all coming together now. So here's the switch. It's a 30 amp, 120 to 227 volts, so I'm not gonna throw it away, I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, just listen to this. Stop. And then all we do is we take this guy and we just shove it in there. Call it good. Okay. In order to wire this correctly, the right side is your cord side, your power cord, plug, whatever you want to call it. So you have white, black. On the left side, you have your motor, so you have white and black. And this is the top, this is the bottom of it. So pretty much, I'm going to take it out just because it's not a lot of wire here. I'm going to bend it slightly. I could use little clamps, crimps, whatever they're called, alligator attachments for this stuff, and I have it in my trailer right now, but I'm too stubborn to go get it because we don't need that. Black one, same thing. Just unscrew it completely. Oh, no, I lost it. Oh yeah, it's not coming out. Nice and tight. Yeah, perfect. So that's what it looks like. Power cord side, right side, motor side, left side. This top is the bottom, but I'm gonna have it sideways. I'm gonna shove it straight in there and call it good. Get in there. Kind of sticks out a bit. Okay guys, I made some room in here. I pulled the cords out just a bit, and then I'm replacing the cap on this guy. Let me go get it, hang on. There's an even smaller one. It's purple. No, it won't work, it's too small. I was gonna say, sweet. Right. So I'm replacing this little electrical cap with this guy right here. It's much smaller, but they have the same diameter on the inside for the wires, so it should work just fine. And this should allow me to cram the little box in here without having to replace anything. Ta-da! Now my big clunky hands are in the way, but that's okay. We just, we just shove it right here and call it good. And just going down. Perfect. It's smashed in there, but it works. All right, moment of truth. Does this work? All right, either we're gonna start a fire or I'm a master electrician. No fire, no fire, no fire. Oh, sweet, it works. It's beautiful. I'm not getting shocked, it's a good sign. That means we've done it. We've done it, team. I think I know what needs to be done now. In order to make this a perfect table saw build, we'll just reuse our old little locking thing right here. Bam, look at that. You can't press, you can't start it. Not doing that is dumb. So yeah, that's how you replace your little light switch with an actual proper safety switch. So if you guys enjoyed the video, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.